Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Canva. And right now I'm currently inside the Canva website, and basically this is what you should be seeing in your end also. By the way guys, this is a pretty simple tutorial, so please follow to the point, wherein we're going to create a Canva account first. So to create a Canva account, make sure you're on this link, www.canva.com. Now once you're in the www.canva.com, you can just use your Google account, even your Facebook account is acceptable. And once you logged in, you're gonna be in here. Basically the landing page of Canva. So that's step 1. So hooray for you, good job, you have step 1 accomplished. So going for step 2 right here, we're gonna click a design. So to create a design for Canva, basically go on this search your content. And with this one, make sure you're in templates. Because if you have selected projects, these are gonna be the choices of your previous projects. You have very limited choices. So for templates, you can go here, or you can go straightly on this option on templates. And basically once you're here, type on the website, option right here. Click enter, and then you'll be directed on the results right here. So we have website templates to work with. Now, there are free and there are paid websites here. Or rather templates, sorry about that. Now, how to know or how to differentiate if it's free or basically it is paid for Canva Pro users. Now, you're gonna see an icon on each template. For example, this one right here. If there's an icon, that is paid. So there are some here that doesn't have an icon. For example, this one right here. Marketing specialist or a resume website. This is technically for free. But this one right here, the portfolio for photography, has a paid subscription. So that is not free technically. So what we need right here is we need to select a template. Now, you can select category here. For example, you want business, social media, education, and so much more. All filter them by your own choosing. We even have minimalistic, modern, simple, professional, and so on and so forth. But for this one, I have a specific design. Let me just look for it right here. So I'm going to look for it right there. I'm going to go for app, website, dark. I think these are the keywords I have from before. And there we have it. It's going to be this one right here. App business website. I actually love it a lot. And the best part about this one is it's technically for free. So if you don't have a Canva Pro account just yet, it is perfectly okay because I'm going to use a free version. So simply click on it right here. And this is the preview. So you can scroll down the preview and this is what to expect. Now once you're satisfied for the preview and you're ready for the next step, simply click on customize this template. But before you do that, you're going to see this star right here and these 3 dots. You can share it on this option or you can save it. So you can just go back to it whenever you want. Now once that's done, simply click on customize this template and I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is going to be the editing platform of Canva, or what I call it is the Canva inside Canva. So let me just remove that option. Perfect. And now there is the first thing you want to do here. Of course, name your project. So for this one, I'm going to type in sample website, like so, and perfect. Now you want to change the top fonts here. For example, this one right here. You want to change it to always stay connected. You can simply click on it right here. And simply type in here, let's just say Tutorialboxx, something like that. And of course, I want to make sure everything is fit to the point. I can just do this without no problem at all. Now, if you're wondering, where is the font here? How can I select my favorite font? Simply select on the font box right there. And then the font are right here, the ones you're looking for. So there is a recommended fonts based on your design. There is a recently used. There is a brand kit, uploaded fonts, and so much more. I think I'm gonna go with the recommended one, but take note, there are some signs here that are for pro users only. So this one right here is basically for pro users. Same goes with this one, the Cerebri. Pretty awesome font right there, pretty, smooth, and professional looking. So good job, you have successfully edited a text. So that is just a basic way on editing a text. For example, this one right here, you want to edit it. Let's try it right here. So sample description, like so. And as you can see, there is a auto generate suggestion. Simply click on tab option and you're good to go. So I'm going to type in a tutorial, something like that, tutorial video. And then if you want to change a specific color of one element, you can do so. by simply clicking this one right here. Make it white again, and perfectly right there. It is now perfect the way you like it. Now for example, speaking of images, you want to change this one. There are two options, because as you see right here, I can now move it, or I can now smart crop or expand. Also, basically right here, I can simply delete it. But where can I get my image? So once you select on this one, go to apps, should be around here somewhere, and look for images or photos right here. So these are stock photos you have for Canva. And now for example, I'm going to go for this one right here. One click of a button, and then I'm just going to remove this one by double clicking it and placing this one right there. Awesome, right? Now for example, speaking of images, you want to try uploading an image or using an uploaded image. So let me just remove this one right here and go for uploads. So I have sample images here. I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. Simply click on it to paste it on your Canva, and then drop it on the frame or silhouette if you may. And that is how you make a new photo in this Canva website. Pretty awesome, right? Pretty simple actually. So what's next? Let's try deleting this logo. So there are two options to delete it. Basically click on this one or the delete button on your keyboard. Let me just click on this one to make it more simple. Same goes with this one. So there is an option here to make your own graphics. So let's try this one. As you can see right here, you have hand-drawn, 3D chrome, vintage, and so much more. You can even enter your 5 words to make a prompt for your graphics. So let me just type in here, phone logo. Click generate graphics right here. And basically it's creating graphics for me. Now while waiting, I want to go to uploads very quickly and look for a logo right here. So I can just simply use this logo right here. But there's a problem, there is a background that doesn't blend well on my design. So I can simply click on it, click on edit image, and then there is a background remover. So this is a background remover free inside Canva, of course, for paid users. So right there, I have successfully enabled or added my own logo. So after successfully adding my own logo, let me just check on the graphics I created from earlier. So to access it again, simply go with Magic Media. Under graphics, this is gonna be our logo. So under phone logo, we have 2. I can simply add this up right there with no problem at all. And there we have it. Let me just remove the one I got from earlier and then paste it right there. So I have my own personal logo. This is actually a free one, and technically this is my very own because I just created this a few moments ago, right? Easy as that. So right now, this is actually a good website right as of now. You can edit it still if you want, but for now, let's click on the preview action. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is the preview option. You have two options actually, a desktop view and a mobile view right here. But for the desktop view, if you want to make the navigation menu visible, you can just simply click on this option right here. And then right now, you can now scroll this one by simply going to About, Features, Contact, or Home. Basically how it looks like on a real website. And then remove it, simply click on Close, and you'll be back here. Now for example, you want to edit some stuff here. More specifically, the menu option right here. Right, you see Home, About, Features, and Contacts. But if you want to edit those, simply go on the Notes option. And then with this one, go to here at the About section. If you want to make this one, for example, just give a second here. Perfect. So if you want to make this around About Us, something like that, and then click on Save, or basically go back on the preview option, like so, or close the notes rather. And then go to the preview option one more time. So welcome back to the video. Right now, as you can see right here, it is now an About Us. It's just not any about. So of course you can edit everything here as long as you go on the Notes option. Easy as that. So speaking about websites, since this is technically a website that we will publish in the public, let's make it more appealing. And to make anything appealing, of course, is animation or transition. So to animate a page, make sure you know what your page are. For example, on this end right here, this is basically page 1. About Us, Features, 4, 5, and Contact. So for Home, simply click on Animate, and you're gonna see different animations here. As you can see, if you hover your mouse, you're gonna see different preview of them. Easy as that. So for example, I want this much more appealing, like so, and now there it is. I can scale it in and out, or even make it drift. Of course, it also applies on elements. So for example, for specific, this one right here, elements, I can now adjust this one the way I see fit. This one right here, easy as that. For example, I can make this one that specific animation for that specific text. Perfect, right? Not just any text, you can also make this one and this one have a different animation than the rest of the pages. Now speaking about content, since we're technically creating a website, and for content, if you don't have an idea to start from scratch, use my Gravity Right video. So again guys, it's spelled Gravity Right. Let me just pull out my notepad. And I have a video about this one, so it is technically Gravity Right. So please check it out, and with just simple click of a button, you're gonna have your content. Anyway, going back to the video, since we have successfully created our own website from Canva, let's now publish it. So as you can see this option right here, there is a publish website. Now if you click on that one, you can resize on mobile or include navigation menu. So please choose which is which. Of course, you can use website URL or use a custom domain. You can also check the publish settings right here. As you can see right there, there is a sample website and there's a website description. For advanced settings, there is a disabled password and so on and so forth. So for the website URL, for example, I'm going to type this one, tutorial. This is basically a custom domain. And now, you can now click on publish. And basically, it's basically preparing the website. Let me just cancel this one for a minute because I want to show you something more. In publishing websites, go to settings and then click on the text icon. You can name this one, for example, rename it Tutorialboxx on my end. You can name whatever you want. Your description, for the settings, take note about this, and simply publish website. Now this is preparing your design as of now, and we're gonna soon publish our very own website. And as you can see, it's a very lengthy. Let me just paste it on my notepad so you can fully see it. So there is gonna be a domain at the very end because technically this is still free. If you want to have our own domain, we need to buy our very own domain. So right now we still have a Canva.site because technically we are using the Canva domain application, right? Now to visit our very own website, simply click on this one or copy the link and paste it on your URL. You can send it also to your friends and families to check it. I'm gonna see you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now this is gonna be our website. So we have home, about us, features, and contacts. It's gonna be easy as pie. As you see right here, we only took a few minutes. This is especially powerful for portfolio builders who doesn't have an idea how to start from scratch. Awesome, right? And by the way, if you want to make changes on your website, you can do that too. Just go back on Canva, and right here, you can basically edit stuff here and then republish. For example, you edited this one, make it sample, something like that. You can just republish by this option right here, same scenario, and basically publish website. Now once we're here, if you want to shorten, for example, your website, you can just name this one home, or basically, let's just name this one lobby, whatever you want, but basically make it sure it's short if you want to make it short. But to remove the Canva website or my Canva website, that is technically a paid version that you need to pay your own domain. Please take note about that one. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.